Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix shadow ban TikTok. So here you can just open the TikTok app on this Android device. So when TikTok is open, so from here now what to do, you will just go in the profile icon on the right side. So from here you can just click on the top right corner of settings. So here you can just click report a problem. So here you can just find how to report. You can also chat with us. So from here you can just write what issues are you facing. So click to shadow ban. So here we will, can you share more detail on what need help with? We received your feedback. Is there anything else? So you will write in description, if my account is on shadow ban, so how will I fix my problem? So just click it. So choose it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.